Hi there, my name is Nadia Valenzuela with Corcoran Global Living, and I'm here with my associate.
I'm Mickey Cardozo with Corcoran Global Living.
I have a question for you, Mickey, and also for you at home. Have you ever wanted a house that had a primary bedroom that was so spacious and grand with a walk-in closet?
Yes, I really would love a walk-in closet.
What about having a bedroom and a full bath downstairs, or basically on the main level?
Heck yeah, with my mom coming to visit all the time, that would be awesome.
Pool?
Definitely.
Spa?
Definitely.
A fountain?
Yes.
What about a tiki bar? Has that been on your list?
Hands down, it was not on my list, but it is now.
Well, all of those details are in our new listing here at 532 Channel Court in Fairfield. So we want to go ahead and welcome you to come inside, and we're going to meet you by the pool. Thank you so much for joining us here at 532 Channel Court. We are going to enjoy poolside a little drink for you. So we'll see you soon. Cheers.